What up, everybody? Hey, where's the light switch? So this is why we're adding another light. There's a lot of shadows in here. There's only one fluorescent light, but we're gonna put another one about right there or so. But yeah, it's not the best for lighting. There's a lot of shadows, but hey, I think somewhere right there is good for a bulb. All right, so we got the lamp base right there and the fluorescent bulbs. The base was on sale for $7 and the bulbs were returned, so they were on sale for like $12, so not too bad, I feel like. I have all the wiring for this and then the anchors for the wall. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I wire this in my garage. If you guys find it informative, cool. But yeah, let's get to setting this all up now. Let's do that. Oh, free rubber bands, oh yeah. I kind of want to put it right here. I feel like having it vertical like that and not running across the garage is a little bit better. Does that make sense? I don't know. So I feel like having the light go this way makes more sense than having it go horizontal. You know, we'll call this vertical, we'll call this horizontal. So I think it makes more sense to make the light go vertical than horizontal, just for lighting effect and whatnot. And if I want to put in a light right there, I can. So that should eliminate most of the shadows if I go vertical. Yeah, we'll do that. So because we're going to install this into the ceiling, we have to find the rafters, the studs, if you will, for the ceiling. So there's a couple ways you can do it. You can get a stud finder, go through it, you get a magnet, you can do that as well, or you can tap it. I like doing the tap method for the ceilings because I can hear it a lot better than the walls because they're usually more hollow. You can find a stud that way. Or, better way to do it, just look for the indents of the nails and you'll find the stud every single time doing that. So, we got one right there. I think I want the light in the middle here. That should work, I feel like. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We want it kind of in the middle, which looks like it's right there, because we have the wire going out and then running down to there. Yeah, that works, I guess. So I'm gonna use this little wood screw here, just go straight in the stud. Honestly, this is probably overkill, but it should be fine. This thing's pretty light, so I have no worry about that. And then we go like this. Yeah. All right, cool. I want the wires on this side, so I want the wires running that way. So, if I just do it like so, that should be fine. Oh yeah, it's in the wall now. Let's make sure that's straight before I do anything else. And it's kind of crooked. Slight shift. Is it a slight shift? Like that. And that looks pretty good. The wires are free. Oh, one screw is good. That thing's not going anywhere. Cool. A little bit of a better shot for you guys. So I just have the screw going in there. That's the original nail I found for the stud. Pretty easy. One screw, this thing literally doesn't move. The wires are sticking out, so we can go straight that way with the 14 gauge wire and call it good. So here's the wire we're gonna be using to connect the existing light to the new one. Just 14 gauge, 15 foot. And I got staples for the ceiling, just to hold the wire in, make it nice and neat. Alright, so I'm just gonna prep everything right now. I need wire nuts. Cool thing with some of these razor blades, I have a wire cutter right there. Makes it a little bit easier. When it wants to work. It doesn't want to work though. I guess it kind of did. All right, so that's prepped. We're gonna run it along the top now. So ground with ground, well, green, I guess, I don't know. Oh, that works perfectly. Sweet. And then last one. Perfect. So, that's what it looks like right now. Looks kind of funny. So now what you want to do is run your wire across your ceiling however you want to do it. In my case, I'm going from joist to joist because that's what these staples are meant for. Yeah, right there is good. Right there. I missed. So these are LED strips, which is kind of weird. But the wire is right there. There's a hole on the end right here that I can just feed the wire through to go to that connection point. So I can run across to right there. Yeah, it works. So before I mess with the wiring up here, I'm going to turn off the circuit breaker for the garage. And in the meantime, for lighting, I have a bunch of other lights that I have hooked up to the kitchen. So there's 4 lights right here that are just gonna be shining straight up, and the extension cord runs all the way to the kitchen pretty much. That would have taken forever. All right, cool. Now I can shift it. Excellent. And now it's just hanging precariously off the wires. Neat. Super tape, here we go. All right, so let me see these guys here. Perfect. All right, cool. Get the white wires now. I'm just using tape to hold the wires together because this kind of sucks. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a moth. That thing's massive. It scared the shit out of me. Oh. Could you not, sir? What the hell? You're massive. What are you? Back here. Back here. I hit it. It went somewhere. Okay, cool. Killed the giant scary bug. Check. Now we get ground on ground and call it good. It's plastic, so I should be able to shove everything back up there and call it good. So now I'm just gonna shove everything up here. It's all wired together. And we're gonna hope a fire does not start. Okay, it's up. This thing has different settings between cool white, sunshine, and daylight. You just click it. I'm doing cool white. I want to see how that looks first. Tongs go vertical, in, and then we spin it. There we go. This guy is also set to cool white. Let's have it this way. All right, they're both in, and spin it. Clicks in. Okay. Let's see if a fire goes on or not. All right, so I'm gonna unplug, or I'm gonna turn off this LED light right now. It is just the garage light itself. And let's see if a fire happens or not. Oh, it works. I did it. There's so much light in here now. This is great. Can I change it while it's plugged in? Oh, I can. That's neat. No, I like daylight better. Daylight kind of matches that one, I feel like. It seems a little warm. I don't know. I'll just do daylight. Call it good. Oh man, this is cool. I am a journeyman electrician. I'm blinding myself, but it's working. Alright then. Oh boy, I like this. This is really nice. So yeah, the lights are installed, there's no fire, it works pretty well. It's nice and bright here, there's less shadows, so I think this is gonna work really well. I might put a second light over there, but I'll wait till another base is on sale before I do that. So that's how you install fluorescent lights into your ceiling. Hope you guys found the video enjoyable. If you did like it, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, it does help. And yeah, this is actually really neat. I like this. So see you guys on the next one.